Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of LWC Stack. So guys, in today's example, we'll get users detail using Wire and we'll be using the record API for that. Okay, so basically we'll be getting some detail of logged in user in today's example. Okay, so let me just open my default org first. Here it is. And open default org. Okay. Okay, let's build the component now. Alright guys, so let's name it get user details. Okay, it will be in the default directory. So guys, as I told you earlier, we'll be using Wire and record API to get the user's details. So first of all, we have to import Wire here. Okay, and after that we will import user get API. We'll be using the UI record API. So guys, using the UI record API, you can get the values by passing the record ID and fields in it. Okay, so to use the UI record API, you have to follow this syntax. So I will be passing the record ID and fields here from Lightning UI record APIs. Okay. And we will import user's ID now. So to import the ID, you can just simply use Salesforce user ID. So we are having ID now, and apart from ID, we will be displaying a name also. So let's include name. You must have seen me earlier also doing the functionality, because we have used the same wire function into our previous example also, but this time we are just getting the current user's detail. Salesforce schema, and we'll be getting user dot. As you can see guys, there are multiple parameters available, so you can get any one of them. So for today's example, I will be just getting user dot name only. Okay. And let's say guys, right now I'm having a single field only, but if you are having multiple fields, so you can simply just create a constant for that. And you can add multiple field into that constant, separating by comma. Okay. Okay, now this is my class, and now I will wire the function get record, and the fields are record ID, and the remaining fields will be in the fields constant. Okay, and the fields will be in the user. Okay, now I will get the name from this user variable. Okay, so I will use the getter here, get name, and it will return the get field value, user dot data, and from that data we will be getting name field. Okay, so that's how you can just fetch the user's detail. Okay, so let me just update the XML first. Okay, so it is updated now. Alright, now let's move to the HTML part. So in HTML part, guys, we'll be using some basic templates. So let me just copy this from my old example. Let me just take this part. All right, so here we will check if user is having data. Okay, and let's add a lightning card also. Here it is. If you don't know how to use lightning card, guys, you can simply use any div tag or any HTML tag here. Okay. So this is lightning card, and let's name it get user data using Wire. Okay, now let's add the name here. Let's add it in the paragraph tag. Let's print the ID also. So the ID will be in user ID, and the name will be in name. Okay. Let me add a div tag and give some padding. All right. So we are having padding of 10 pixels, and let's add a new line after that. Okay, I think it is ready now. So let's save it and deploy it. Alright, it is deployed successfully. Now let's open the default doc and check it out. Okay, should we create a new tab for that? Or maybe we can have it here, because this is also related to Wire, so I think we can have it in this tab. So let me just edit the page. This is my component. Let's add it underneath this one. So as you can see, guys, you can see my ID and my name here because I'm the logged in user right now. But the background is transparent right now. So let's make the background white. So let's have background color white here, and let's deploy it one more time. Okay, it is deployed. Let's refresh the page, and here you go. So guys, that's how you can get the logged in users detail using the Wire. And I have also used the record API here, so you can get logged in user detail. Like in Apex we used to do user info.getRecordID. So in LWC you can use this functionality to get the logged in user detail. Okay, so guys, that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you like today's video, subscribe to the channel, will be awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.